Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we'll be talking about the trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you can see the momentum, if you can see the volume, so we are basically getting very disappointment, because the price is not moving anywhere. So it's in a very small range, and you can see that the price is just hovering around at this level, which is at 19,000 level. So I'm taking the 19,000 level as the support and 20,000 I'm taking as a resistance. So this area is basically the price is moving in this area only, and once we will see that the price comes out from this range, and then that will be a time where we might able to see more clarity about the price direction. So till the time it's trading here, we will be very much sure that price will reach to support level, which is currently at the support level, and from here we can see some movement upside towards the resistance. So now, because the price is at the support, we might able to see some upside momentum till 20,000 levels. And also, if you look at the volumes here, so volumes are also declining day by day. So that is a complete sign where the trading activity is taking a halt, and there is no movement as such in the trading activity. The buyers and sellers are not trading here much. So that's the reason the price movement is also is not visible. So this is the movement. We can expect a 20,000 level upside movement till the level of resistance for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is also telling us the same situation, where we can see the prices just hovering around at the support level. So this is the support level, which is at 1215. So I'm still marking this level as the support, and I'm marking the resistance at 1510. Now look at this level, the 1510 level. So you can see that this particular moving average, this is 100 EMA moving average. You can just look at here also. This moving average is almost lying at the resistance level. So now till the time the price will come again to the resistance, at that particular time there will be a very important crucial thing that we need to see, whether the price will just break out, give a breakout to the resistance or not. So as per the trend, as per the latest momentum, we can see that price may reach to this 1510, and once the price reaches there, we might able to see a fall again, right? So look at the volumes here also. There are very less trading activity which is happening in this cryptocurrency as well. So basically what we can see that the price will trade in a range, and the range area I have told you 1510 and 1215. Now we might able to see little bit upside momentum in the Ethereum as well, because the price is very near to the support level. So this is for the Bitcoin, and for the Ethereum, for the very immediate short term trend that I have told you. So we'll be talking about a lot of things once we'll get more clarity about the direction, more clarity. In fact, we should get some trading activity here. So the trading activity is completely lacking here, and the moment that when we get it, when we start getting it, I think that will be a better time to trade and to just analyze it, where the price is going. So as of now, it's like a muted trading which is happening, which is very low trading activities, volumes are there, and because of that the price is basically moving in mostly in the range. So this is all from my side, and if you are liking this content, if you find it useful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell icon. I'll meet you tomorrow. Till then, be safe in the market, happy trading, and thank you so much for watching me.